missile didn't fire. It misfired. Now firing a missile from a tank is 1 in 1,000. So this guy was completely dejected कि यार मतलब इतना मेहनत करने के बाद भी after 6 months of hardship, 6 months of training, the missile has not launched. It was not his fault, but army में एक ही फंडा है कि you either hit the bullet in the target or not. Now the CEO came and he can see that anguish in that guy. उसने अपने पूल से एक और मिसाइल बोला, he had given one more missile to this guy और बोला कि you can fire the missile from another tank. So a new tank, they have got a new tank, a new launcher, a new missile, and he has selected the missile after 30 minutes approximately. Now the entire platoon was standing and they were watching कि now साहब fire करने वाले हैं, and it's a big thing. And normally many civilian guests also be calls from outside. They can see the firing, actual firing. You press the button. Now what's happened? The second missile also failed. Now, misfire of first missile is 1 in 1,000, 10,000. Misfiring of a second missile is like 1 in 1 million, which is not gonna happen. Normally, it doesn't happen in the training session because these are one of the finest missiles they keep. So, उसमें एक उस्ताद था, उस्ताद नायर. तो जब उसने देखा साहब को, साहब बहुत ही डिजेक्टेड है, मतलब he is not feeling good कि अब तो क्या है, तो उसने साहब को एक लेसन दिया, लाइफ का लेसन, which also it's a motivating factor for me. उसने बोला कि साहब जिंदगी में हर आदमी के मिसफायर लिखे हैं, जिंदगी में हर ऑफिसर, हर जवान का मिसफायर लिखा है. किसी का अभी हो जाता है, किसी का वॉर टाइम में हो जाता है, जंग के मैदान में हो जाता है. आप बहुत खुशकिस्मत हो कि आपके दोनों मिसफायर ट्रेनिंग में निकल गए, जंग के मैदान में नहीं, and it's a big lesson. So even if you are failing in your first interview or second interview, it's okay, because failing in your after your job, then it will be you'll not feel good. So जंग के मैदान, अभी तुम्हारा जंग का मैदान है. You can fail as many times as you want, और तुम कुछ भी करना चाहते हो, even making a girlfriend and you fail, it's okay. Go and make a girlfriend, at least एक और interview process clear हो जाएगा तुम्हारा. You want to approach somebody, कुछ भी करना है, okay, perfect.
So as Anirudh had earlier introduced, I am Aditya. I am currently working with Tata Strategic Management Group as a consultant. It is one of the central teams sitting in the Tata Sons and Tata Industries framework. These are the two holding companies of the entire group, and we help make strategy for the entire Tata group, 100 plus companies. When I was a child, I was also very clear that I want to be an Air Force pilot and a fighter pilot, like no other type of pilot. One type of pilot, which is fighter pilot. Okay. So this is when I was, when kids are very small, guests come in their house and they ask you, "Beta, kya banna hai?" So always one answer always, that I want to be a pilot. I want to be a pilot. I want to be a pilot. But I was so smart in my studies that becoming pilot at that point in time really is impossible. So when I got to know that engineering is what is required, I mean physics is what is required to become a pilot, that's it, dream over. Matlab, I did not give a second thought of ever becoming a pilot. That was it. Because I remember even, this might not be the case with you guys, but for me, I remember in my 5th standard, I had to really with my hands like this beg my teachers to pass me. And then finally, life moved on like it does for everybody, right? So I got into a college in Delhi University. It was a good college. With God's grace, I got into it. And then over there also, I was involved in a lot of activities, and I thought like most of those kids over there, I decided I want to become an MBA grad because I want to earn a lot of money. My focus was very clear: money at that point in time. Okay, so easiest way for a commerce grad to make money is get into a good B school. So I gave my CAT, but that focus in mind could never really translate into focus in action, right? Because whenever I would sit down to study, my mind would be all over the place. Past, future, right? Anxiety about the future, anxiety and regret about the past. यार बचपन में पढ़ा होता तो अभी, क्योंकि CAT में, I don't know if you know or not, if you have seen the form, you would know that कोई भी अच्छे B school में घुसने गए तो you need a little bit of decent marks in your 10th and 12th. and then eventually in graduation also, right? So आधे टाइम दिमाग पीछे रहता था कि यार बचपन में पढ़ा होता तो आज लाइफ इजी होती, आधे टाइम फ्यूचर में रहता था कि यार शिट होगा कि नहीं होगा कि नहीं होगा कि नहीं. तो पढ़ने के लिए अभी अभी जो पढ़ना था वो हो नहीं पा रहा था. Anyway, I gave my exam and then life moved on. The best shortlist I could manage was I am Shillong, but I thought yeah, I'm too good. So at that point in time, I'm thinking I must start. Okay, so I can go give in interviews and definitely, matlab Shillong and a few others I had MDI etc. These colleges I'll definitely crack. And I kid you not, I did not crack even one college. Not one college gave me the final admit to their offer to admission, and that was a setback. And my college is decent otherwise, undergrad college. I mean, like Anirudh was saying, right, that most of the students would get placed. Same was the case with my college. Most of the students did get placed. I also fortunately managed, but I got the lowest package in the entire college. Okay, so this is my life up to this point. Like colleges are not accepting me, and teachers are telling me great job at 75%, and the and I'm at one of the lowest packages on campus. You know, the placement team wants to forget like me. These guys did not exist. I'm I'm one of those kids. And then, as Anil mentioned, you know, I was fortunate to get into to learn a few techniques which really transformed my life. And maybe we cover those techniques, etc. later. I'm highly focused. I'm able to, like Anirudh said, sit down in a room and get on to what I need to do. So I took a few months of leave from my office, and I was not concerned about that. I'll take a few months leave, and what will people say if I'm not able to crack it? Because I knew that this is it, right? I can't live at this salary level, for example, because money was clear in my mind. So got onto it, and fortunately got a better score this time, and gave interviews. Remember, I Am Lucknow was my best shortlist, right? And I remember the last question that I got in that interview was, dude, what all shortlist do you have? So I said, sir, I have MDI, I have Kozhikode, Indore, etc. I named a few. He said, no, I'm not interested in those. Tell me, you have ABC. I'm ABC. Because if you do have those, and if I give you an offer of admission, you will waste my seat. I'll have to offer it to the next person in the list, right? Wait list. I with a long face, I told the interviewer that no, I don't have it, and the dude told me that don't worry, it is their loss, right? So from no college giving me an admit to I Am Lucknow telling me that it is I Am Ahmedabad ABC's shortfall. I mean their loss that they have not shortlisted me was the journey, and then I went on to go into that college and obviously continued to practice what I had learned. And I was ranked 4 over there. I was the best all-rounder in campus. I was the academic secretary. I was part of the placements team. Was involved from 9 p.m. to 4 a.m. trying to get all the students of the college placed, and yet was able to manage my academics, etc. And I was one of the few candidates in that college who gave only one company's interview 2 years, both summer and final placements put together. And how it all became, and you know, my batchmates some of them actually gave 30, 40 interviews, unfortunately, right? So I was one of the few lucky ones who could put my finger to a particular company, give that interview, crack it, and start the process. And how it happened was because I was able to think on the feet. I remember the last project I was working on was evaluating whether Tata Group should 7,000 crore rupees in a particular company in India or not, right? And if you go wrong, there are jobs for people at stake. Tata Group, you may from the outside world think that Tata Group has an unlimited budget and I can afford to make such mistakes, but no. And forget about Tata Group being able to afford such mistakes. I cannot afford those mistakes because if I do that, I will get fired. So there is a continuous pressure to be able to think on the feet, be right, and deliver every time you have to deliver. It is not life and death like in case of Anirudh. I'm not going to compare our job with Anirudh's at any point in time. But definitely, you understand, right? Whoever is in that situation, for me, that is life and death. When you look at the bigger picture, you think यार ये क्या है, ये आदमी के लिए मतलब whatever he's doing is irrelevant in front of what the defense force is doing. But when you will, whatever life you will be living in, you may be involved in activities that will seem for you life and death, right? So you need to be able to think on your feet all the time, and as Anirudh mentioned, be able to be calm and focus at the same time, right? So this is my roughly 25, 28 year journey condensed into 10 minutes.
So
And
thank you, Anirudh. Thank you, Aditya, for such an inspirational journey of yours. My name is Nikita. Am I audible to all of you? I'm a little soft, yeah. So I'm an engineer. I'm an engineer graduate as well as engineering graduate turned into environment scientist. Uh, Post which I am also a Meru Chikitsa practitioner, which is healing, and I'm also Art of Living faculty. So I have quite many portfolios right now with me, and trust me, this is what I wanted to do in my life. Do all of things. I wanted to teach. I wanted to heal people. I wanted to do something for environment. Plus, I wanted to see a corporate life, which I did. So my journey has been quite different, and it's like Anirudh mentioned, it's not something that people usually do, but it's the most fulfilling thing I am doing right now. I wanted to enter environment. So it takes a lot. It takes a lot to do in life what you really want to do, and the inner strength that you need, it only comes from when you know about yourself.